it's that time of year again. Sulphur Springs Country Club is getting ready to host its 13th annual Texas Chili Cook-Off. So get your friends and good cooking partners and get ready to come out to our back lawn here at Sulphur Springs Country Club and cook the best chili that you know how.
The highlight for me was being able to meet and be around all the people all afternoon while we were cooking.
Just cooking and having fun. We set up our own music. You know, we had beer and wine, sitting next to the McCanns and watching them cook, and you know, all the energy from all the people. That's what was fun. The only thing I think we'll do different this year is win.
Looking forward to this year's chili cook-off. Last year I used some different beef rather than ground, but it's okay to use ground, and I'm gonna use my ground beef, and we'll see if we can compete this year. And hopefully there's going to be more teams, and we get to enjoy some camaraderie with the other cooks, and we're really looking forward to it.
Wow, so many great memories from last year, from showing up here that day. It was a beautiful day, and seeing the setup from all the cooks, and people have special messages on their aprons and their t-shirts. Great memories trying to prepare for the cook-off. What's our chili look like? Bernice and I tried lots of different things and lots of failures. Best memory would have to be winning the trophy. It was a total shock, total surprise to us. There's so many experts been doing this for years, and the fact that we won, it was very humbling. So best memory was absolutely winning the trophy last year. Deciding on a recipe was a bit of a challenge because, like I said, we tried lots of different things, trying to figure out what worked best, and ultimately we took two different chilies and mixed them together, and that worked out. But most challenging obviously had to be, when we first started cooking our meat, we burned the pan, scorched it. It was horrible. Met with some friends, and some other folks helped us out, and we brought a new pan in, brought some new meat in, and started over, and as you can tell, it turned out pretty well. So that was a big challenge for us. Yeah. I think we need to prepare a little bit better. We need to have a better setup because the folks here have so much fun, and the setups are just amazing. Probably need to get some t-shirts and maybe show off a little bit. Not burn anything this year, okay? Even though that worked for us, I still don't think it's a very good idea. So we'll do quite a few things different, but we'll still come out and have so much fun. It's just a blast to come out to this event every year. It's so much fun.
Now what you contestants really want to know about is prize money. Family Ford is going to be sponsoring the prizes this year, with first place getting $600 cash, second place $300, and third place $100. Also keep in mind we do have a jackpot appetizer competition that day. It'll be a $25 entry fee in cash. All cash will be paid back out to the winner. So once you got your friends, get your knives, chili pots, best ingredients. That way you can put your chili together and add your name onto the wall of champions here. So get everything you need to prepare a great chili, bring your friends, and come on out March 12th at 1 o'clock.